In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if you're up to date in DaVinci Resolve. This is a very quick and useful thing to know, especially if you want to make sure your software is running the latest version available. Keeping DaVinci Resolve updated can help with performance, stability, bug fixes, and access to any newer features that may have been released. The good news is that checking your version status only takes a moment. To begin, open DaVinci Resolve and look to the top left corner of your screen. In that area, you'll see the DaVinci Resolve menu. Go ahead and click on it. This opens the main application menu where you can access a few general options related to the software itself. Once that menu opens, look for the option that says Check for Updates and click it. After you do that, DaVinci Resolve will take a moment to connect and verify whether the version you currently have installed is the latest one available. Depending on your internet connection and system speed, this may happen almost instantly or take a few seconds, so just give it a moment. After the check is complete, DaVinci Resolve will let you know your current status. If your software is already fully updated, you'll see a message confirming that you have the latest updates installed. That means you're good to go and you don't need to do anything else. If an update is available, the software will show you that as well and prompt you to update. At that point, you can follow the update option shown on screen to move forward. It's usually a good idea to save any current work before updating, especially if you're in the middle of a project, so you can avoid interruptions. And that's really all there is to it. Just click the DaVinci Resolve menu in the top left, choose Check for Updates, wait for the result, and then review the message you get. It's a simple habit, but it can help you stay current and avoid using an outdated version without realizing it. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to check if you are up to date in DaVinci Resolve.